Greetings, financial explorers. Welcome to another episode on HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide to the world of real estate and investment. Our mission here at HouseLux Estate is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies to make your money work for you. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, there's always something new to learn. In the vast universe of investment options, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have emerged as a popular choice for many. They offer a blend of diversity, flexibility, and accessibility, making them an enticing proposition for a balanced investment strategy. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. For our faithful followers, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're delving into the world of ETFs and their role in a balanced investment strategy. So sit tight and let's get started. To comprehend the role of ETFs, it's imperative to first understand what an ETF is. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs as they are commonly known, are a type of investment fund traded on stock exchanges. They are similar to individual stocks in terms of trading, but they represent a collection of different assets, much like a mutual fund. Imagine a basket. Now fill that basket with various financial assets such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or even a blend of these. That's essentially what an ETF is. It's a fund that holds multiple assets, allowing investors to buy a slice of that basket instead of purchasing each asset individually. The beauty of ETFs lies in their diversity. They allow investors to spread their investment across a range of assets, which can help mitigate risk. If one asset in the ETF performs poorly, it's possible that another might do well, balancing out potential losses. While mutual funds also offer diversification, ETFs come with an extra perk: flexibility. Unlike mutual funds, which are only bought and sold at the end of the trading day at their net asset value, ETFs can be traded throughout the day like individual stocks. This means you can buy and sell ETFs at any time during trading hours, giving you greater control over your investment strategy. Furthermore, ETFs are typically more cost-effective than mutual funds. They often have lower expense ratios, which means less of your investment goes towards paying fund management fees. This can make a significant difference in your investment returns over the long term. Finally, ETFs offer transparency that's hard to beat. Most ETFs are structured in a way that allows investors to know exactly what assets they own at any given time. This is not always the case with mutual funds, which may only disclose their holdings quarterly or semi-annually. In essence, ETFs offer the best of both worlds: the diversification of mutual funds and the flexibility of stocks. Now that we have a basic understanding of ETFs, it's time to explore their importance in a balanced investment strategy. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, can be a powerful tool for investors seeking to strike a balance between risk and reward. They bring to the table three important features: diversification, risk management, and asset allocation. Let's dive into each one. Firstly, diversification. ETFs are designed to track an index, sector, commodity, or a basket of assets. This means when you invest in an ETF, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're spreading your investment across a wide range of assets. This diversification can reduce the impact of any single asset's poor performance on your overall portfolio. In other words, if one stock in the ETF's basket tanks, the others may still perform well, offsetting the loss. Next, risk management. By providing diversification, ETFs inherently manage risk. But there's more. ETFs also offer transparency. You can see what assets the fund holds at any given time, and this visibility helps you understand and manage your exposure to certain markets or sectors. Additionally, ETFs are traded like stocks, so you can use traditional risk management techniques, such as stop orders and limit orders, to protect your investments. Finally, asset allocation. ETFs come in all shapes and sizes, tracking everything from broad market indices to specific sectors, countries, or asset classes. This wide range of options allows you to tailor your investment strategy to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Want to tilt your portfolio towards technology or emerging markets? There's an ETF for that. Looking for exposure to bonds or real estate? There's an ETF for that too. In summary, the unique structure of ETFs allows them to provide diversification, manage risk, and facilitate asset allocation, all crucial elements of a balanced investment strategy. Hence, ETFs can be instrumental in creating a well-rounded, risk-mitigated investment portfolio. No, ETFs are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They come in various types, each catering to different investment objectives. First, let's chat about sector ETFs. These ETFs track specific sectors of the market, such as technology, healthcare, or finance. If you're bullish about a particular sector's prospects but don't want to pick individual stocks, a sector ETF can be a shrewd choice. It offers diversification within a specific sector and can help mitigate the risk of investing in a single company. Next up, commodity ETFs. These ETFs are for those who wish to invest in commodities like gold, oil, or agricultural products without having to deal with the complexities of futures contracts. Commodity ETFs can be a hedge against inflation or a play on supply and demand dynamics in a particular market. Then we have bond ETFs. They offer a way to invest in a basket of bonds, providing steady income and potential capital preservation. Whether it's government bonds, corporate bonds, or municipal bonds, bond ETFs can suit investors looking for lower-risk investments or those seeking to balance a stock-heavy portfolio. International ETFs are another variety. These ETFs allow investors to easily tap into foreign markets, providing a simple way to diversify geographically. Whether you're interested in developed markets like Europe and Japan, or emerging markets like China and India, international ETFs can be your ticket to global investing. Lastly, we have thematic ETFs. These funds target specific investment themes or trends, such as clean energy, artificial intelligence, or e-commerce. If you believe in the long-term potential of a particular trend but aren't sure which companies will emerge as winners, thematic ETFs are a great way to invest in that trend. Each type of ETF has its unique advantages and can fit into your portfolio based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and market outlook. Remember, the goal isn't to pick the best ETF, but rather to choose the right ETFs that align with your investment strategy. Choosing the right type of ETF can significantly impact your investment returns and risk exposure. Now that we know the importance of ETFs and their types, the question arises, how does one invest in ETFs? The first step to investing in ETFs is understanding what you want from your investment. Are you looking for growth or income? Do you want exposure to a certain sector or country? Once you've got a clear goal in mind, you can begin your search for the right ETF. There are thousands of ETFs available, each with its distinct focus. Some track major indices like the S&P 500, while others specialize in sectors like technology or healthcare. There are also ETFs that track commodities or bonds. It's important to research and understand what each ETF holds and how it behaves under different market conditions. Once you've chosen an ETF that aligns with your goals, the next step is to open a brokerage account. There are many online brokers offering access to a wide range of ETFs. Look for a broker that offers low fees, a user-friendly platform, and good customer support. After setting up your brokerage account, you'll need to place an order. ETFs are bought and sold like stocks, meaning you can buy them at market price or set a limit order to purchase at a specific price. You can also choose how many shares you want to buy. It's crucial to remember that, like any investment, ETFs come with risks. The value of your investment can go up or down, and you may lose money. But ETFs offer a way to diversify your portfolio and potentially mitigate some of these risks. A good practice is to regularly review your ETF investments. The market is dynamic, and your investment goals might change over time. Regularly reviewing your portfolio ensures that your investments are still aligned with your objectives. Investing in ETFs can be as simple as buying a single share, making them an accessible option for all types of investors. And with the right research and planning, ETFs can play a crucial role in a balanced investment strategy. Before we wind up, let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed today. We started by understanding ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. We then delved into why ETFs matter in a balanced investment strategy. Remember, they offer diversification, flexibility, and are cost-effective, making them an ideal choice for both novice and seasoned investors. We explored the different types of ETFs that exist, from sector-specific ETFs to commodity ETFs and beyond. Lastly, we walked through the process of how to invest in ETFs, emphasizing the importance of research, choosing the right broker, and the necessity of a well-thought-out investment strategy. And that's a wrap on ETFs and their role in a balanced investment strategy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep investing wisely.